everyone. Thanks for tuning in and watching here. It's Kevin at Phoenix Airport, and we're going to take a look at some of the cars at Alamo. And even though, just a quick reminder, even though it's Alamo, it's actually Enterprise Alamo National, all the same company. And over here we kind of have more of the sports cars and the convertibles kind of grouped together, so it is kind of almost like a reserve. But anyway, let's get started here. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of these videos, click on the like. And we've got a Mini Cooper, a couple convertibles. We've got a Hemi Challenger, Mazda Miata hardtop convertible, a Dodge Charger. And we got another Hemi Challenger RT, and we got a red Camaro V6 convertible. That one's got a few miles on it. That's around 40,000. The white Camaro I didn't check, but this... No, I didn't check the black one either. I checked the white convertible down here. We'll get to that in a minute. We got another Charger. We got maybe an X2. I'm not sure what that BMW is. Convertible. A couple Mustang convertibles. And we got a Dodge Challenger. Durango. Another EcoBoost Mustang convertible. We got a Jeep Wrangler. Not too many of those here. Hardtop. Mustang EcoBoost convertible. Yeah, and then this is the Chevy white Camaro. Base model V6, but it only has about 300 miles on it, so great to see some new Camaros coming in. We got a Gladiator down here, Suburban, Jaguar, one of these large Infinity SUVs, and we got a Mustang convertible, other side Mustang convertible. We got an Audi, a couple Audi SUVs, BMW, another Audi. We got a Lexus over here. And you know, I checked this A5 a little bit earlier. I think it had about 2,500 miles. That's another one of my favorites. We got a Honda Subaru, another Gladiator, and one of the newer Nissan SUVs, a Buick. Oh, actually, it might have been this one. Sorry, one of the A5s I checked had pretty low miles, 2,000 miles on it. And we got a couple Toyotas, Mazda. That's the first Mazda we've seen over here. Couple Camrys, another, what was it, Ford Fusion. Don't see too many of those anymore. Another EcoBoost Mustang convertible, and you can kind of see in the back here just tons of cars in the overflow, eh? So these are kind of, they'll fill these in as people take cars out. And I'm gonna walk down here. Actually, you know, I'm gonna join you guys back in a second. Okay, you'll kind of see some more of the overflow that they fill in here, but they actually almost did a pretty good job of parking things under the sign. So we got premium here. Got a couple 300s, we got a Kia, Audi SUV, we got an Acura, Infiniti Q50, we got a VW, got another Audi, got a Honda Accord, oh boy, and then we got some down on the other side here, oh boy. We got a Dodge Challenger, we got some cars coming in here, and yeah, they're just kind of, things are so crazy now, they're just kind of parking them wherever they can. But I'll just kind of go through the rest here just to give you guys an idea what else is here. Yeah, okay, full-size SUV, there are a couple here. We got a Suburban, and then we got one of those big Infinities. Jeep, we got a Kia. These are mid-size category, it says. Okay, pickups, they're kind of parked in the pickups. Oh boy, there's a ton of pickup trucks. Could almost make a separate video on that, but I'll just kind of pan through here. You guys can kind of see mid-size on the left. Yeah, lots of pickup trucks if you're looking for visit one of those Mitsubishi hybrids. A couple Corollas, mid-size, smaller here, and economy and compact. Actually, we're not doing too bad. We're pretty close to the end here. Intermediate SUV. These are all intermediate SUVs here. We got a Rogue. We got a... Well, it's not a Compass. That's a Jeep. It's a cool Renegade, right? Right. Okay, and there's the rest of the mid-size SUVs, and you can kind of see some more of the overflow here. And I think we'll wrap up Alamo at Phoenix. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you in the next one.